Bodywork often requires the removal and replacement of tires, so it's good to have a torque wrench handy to make sure the job is done right. Today we're going to be trying out an URCERI or URCERI click type torque wrench. It ranges from 10 to 150 foot-pounds or 1.4 to 20.7 meters kilograms. This click type torque wrench can be purchased off of Amazon for around 35 bucks. It comes with a pretty tough plastic case. The torque wrench itself looks real nice. You just dial up the torque that you want, lock it into place. Comes with an extension and 2 sockets. So let's give it a try. First we'll just lightly tighten the lug nuts. I have my impact set on 1 and I skip. And it's basically a star pattern, so you're just going to skip. And that's good for lightly tightening. And now we're just going to crank this guy up to 50. Let's see. 50 right there. And then we'll just lock it into place. And it should click when it gets to the right torque. And that's 50 right there. So we're just going to do a star pattern. And it seems to work very nice. Now we're just going to run it up to 90. And that's 90 right there. Lock it into place. Click. Skip 1. Click. Skip 1, click, very nice. One really nice thing that was included with the tool was the inspection card, and it shows that it's accurate to plus or minus 4%. It tested it at 30 foot-pounds, 90 foot-pounds, and 150 foot-pounds. Overall, I think this URCERI click type half-inch torque wrench worked great. You can buy it on Amazon for 35 bucks, and I'll put the product link in the description.